Before a tame debate about the issues, three of the Democrats in the 10th Middlesex race gave some personal reasons for their involvement in politics during last week's forum at Government Centre. Waltham Ward 5 City Councillor Gary Marchese, a father of two and attorney, said he decided to run for office after his mother died in 1997.
I hope to earn the trust of the residents of Watertown and Newton, and to provide to them the same level of advocacy, passion, and experience for which I'm known in Waltham.
Watertown Town Councillor John Lawn, who has 5 children, was laid off from Fidelity in 2002. He said he paid $1,700 per month in health insurance alone while starting up his own real estate firm, giving him a connection with other residents who are hurting in today's economy.
A coach and a town council member. I have the experience of being laid off and needing a job, as well as employing people in our community.
A 17-year veteran on the Sherburne Police Force, Alan Ciccone has 4 children and has served 2 terms as Newton Ward 1 Alderman at large. Characterizing himself as a people person, he said he owned a limousine company on Common Street in Waltham in the 1980s. His father was also a police officer and alderman.
Being out with the public, I've enjoyed it immensely. It's been something that's just been in my blood, starting from my dad and just working its way down.
The forum was organized by the Waltham Democratic City Committee. Moderator Marjorie Aarons-Barron, formerly a news director at Channel 5, asked questions about budget shortfalls, health insurance, mandatory prison sentencing, income tax, and even tax credits for the film industry. Residents from Waltham and elsewhere posed a variety of questions about divorce laws, marijuana legalization, and the Fernald property. Lawn and Marchese gave concrete examples and figures, while Ciccone tended to offer up more anecdotal responses. Their answers were occasionally indistinguishable, and the candidates rarely attacked each other's positions. None would sponsor the legalization of marijuana, for instance, and they all appeared to support the idea of casinos to raise revenue, with some noteworthy caveats. An area of some disagreement was whether the candidates would resign their elected positions if elected to the State House.
I'm not going to really say at this point, if I'm elected, that I would resign my position as city councilor. There is history with our city councilors in the past that they've assumed dual roles.
With the Board of Aldermen and the state representative job, I don't know if I'd have the time that I could invest and be as effective as I possibly could.
Just think, with the state of this economy and the state of this state, we need a full-time advocate advocating for all 3 communities. And I would resign my position and concentrate fully on this.
Sean Durkee, an Iraqi war veteran with extensive business experience, was unable to attend because of another event. His father, Bill, read a statement on his behalf describing his son's military tours overseas and saying that he would leave his current day job if elected.
He understands the finances of affordable housing, home ownership, and taxation. And to every voter in the 10th Middlesex district, having no previous political position or organization, Sean needs your support.
For Waltham Newswatch, this is Chris Wangler.